Okay, so I made some albondigas, and basically it's a spaghetti soup. I think it's called an Italian, it's called a wedding soup as well. So basically they're meatballs. This is turkey meatballs, and I have too much tonight, but I just wanted to show you how delicious this soup is. So I'm going to dress it up. It's really easy to make. It's yummy. Yep. And it's flavorful. It's healthy because it's boiled. Just kind of pour that in there. And this is something my mother used to make, so I stepped it up just a little bit. And I use just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in that. And then you could decorate it. Yeah, decorate your plate, add a little bit of scallions or some green onions to that. And you have a delicious soup. Want to add another meatball, you can. You know, a turkey ball, you can. And that's it. It's delicious, it's yummy, healthy, and there you have it. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.